Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned how to make the solar cooker. Today, we'll be learning of how to solve the problems in this chapter. Okay? Just as we know that some formulas are based in this chapter. That is, the mirror formula is there, magnification formula is there. Mirror formula says that 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, whereas the magnification says that m is equal to hi by ho is equals to minus v by u. Okay, based on those formulae, we'll try to solve few problems. Okay, here this is the problem which is given in the textbook. An object 4 centimeter in size, object size is 4 centimeter, is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. He is asking to find the nature as well as the size of the image. Here, an object 4 centimeter in size. Here he has given the object size. Height of the object is 4 centimeter. Okay. Object is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Object distance, that is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Okay. Now, of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Here, at what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed? He is asking that. Okay. There is a concave mirror. Pole, focal point, center of curvature. Okay. Here, object size. Object is always. Okay. Object, it is a 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, AB, 4 centimeter it is there, in front of a concave mirror. Okay, focal length is 15 centimeter, focal length is 15 centimeter, focal length is 15. Therefore, if it is from here to here, it is 15, here to here also 15. Okay, and here object distance is 25 centimeter. Means object distance is 25 centimeter. Object distance 25 means here 15 plus 50 is how much? R is equals to 15 plus 15. Why? Why? Because R is equal to 2 into F. That is equal to 30 centimeter. R is equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore, object, it is 25 centimeter. Therefore, where the object is placed in between of F and C, 25 centimeter. From here to here it is 25 centimeter. What is the height of the object? 4 centimeter. Now he is asking that what is where the image should be, where the screen should be placed. Screen means, that means we have to place the screen such that some image is formed, sharp image is formed. Okay, where we should place? For this, we should use the mirror formula, and in the same way, we should use the sign conventions. Sign conventions. Which mirror it is? Concave mirror. For a concave mirror, what is U is negative, F is also negative, V is also negative. Okay, U is negative, V is negative, F is negative. Now, mirror formula, 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by E. 1 by V plus 1 by E. 1 by F, how much it is? 1 by minus 50. That is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 25. But normally we won't write minus in the denominator position. Therefore, here minus 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by 25. Okay. Now, minus 1 by 15. Here we want V. 1 by V is equals to transpose of minus 1 by 25 to this side becomes plus 1 by 25, minus 1 by 15. What is the LCM of 25 and 15? 25 and 15, LCM of 25, 15, 5 3s, sorry, 5 5s, 5 3s. 5 5 is 25, 25 into 3, 75. 75. 25 how many times? 25 3s are, 3 1s are 3. Minus 15 how many times? 15 5s are 75. Therefore here minus 2 by 75, 1 by V. Therefore what is V? V is equals to minus 75 by 2. The reciprocal of that one. Therefore V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Are we getting V? Yes. Okay. And here what is he asking? Find the nature and size of the image. He is not only asking the image distance. Here where the image should be, where the screw should be placed, at a distance of 37.5 centimeter. Okay. Find the nature. In the same way he is asking to find out the nature. In the same way he is asking to find the image height of the image. Height of the image. Here height of the image by height of the object is equals to minus V by U. Height of the image. Here height of the image we don't know. We should find out. But height of the object we know, that is equals to 4 centimeter, minus V we know, minus 37.5. U do we know? Yes, minus 25. Minus minus cancel. HI is equals to minus 37.5 into 4 by 25. That is equals to 5 4s are 20, 7 4 are 28, 29, 30, 4 3s are 12, 31, 15, 150, 150, minus 150 by 25. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 24 6s are 6.0. Therefore height of the image is equals to 6 centimeter. Height of the image is equals to minus 6 centimeter. And here what is the nature of the image? What is the nature of the image? Means the nature of the image is, here the nature of the image, after that one, nature of the image. Nature of image. The nature of the image is, okay, the nature of the image is minus, means it is inverted image. Okay, inverted image. What is the size of the image? Size of the image is 6 centimeter. Size of the object is 4 centimeter. Okay, size of the object is 4 centimeter. First we should write where the object is formed. Where the object is formed. The object is formed beyond the center of curvature or below the before the center of curvature. Here below or behind. From here to here it is 30. 15 plus 15, 30. 37.5 we get. Therefore beyond the center of curvature. Image is formed beyond the center of curvature. Here it is real. Why? Because image is formed on the screen. Here minus indicates it is inverted. Anyhow we know that it forms of real image, inverted image, and in the same way, is it magnified image or diminished image? Here object size is 4, image size is 6. Therefore enlarged image. Enlarged image. This is how we should solve this problem. Okay, right. Children, in the same way we'll do one more problem. Right. Okay, right. One more problem. Right. Find the size. Problem is find the size, nature and position of image. Nature and position of image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Here he is asking that find the nature, size and position of the image formed, find the size, nature and position of the image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Here it is the concave mirror. Here an object, first we should take the focal length. What is the focal length here? 10 centimeter. Yes, 10. From here to here, 10. Therefore, what is the radius of curvature? 20. Now here, what is the object distance? 15. 15 means where? 10 plus 5. Here. Just it will be in between this 15. What is the size of the image? 1 centimeter. Size of the image is 1 centimeter. Like this we should draw. Size of the image is 1 centimeter. Here object is placed in between of F and C. Size of the object is size of the object is 1 centimeter. And here asking that to find the size, nature and position of the image. To find the position of the image, first we should find out the image formed. That means here we should find out the image distance. U is how much here? U is 15 centimeter. F is 10 centimeter. Height of the object is 1 centimeter. Height of the object is always above the principal axis. Therefore we should take it as positive. This is a concave mirror. For the concave mirror, always sign conventions you should apply. Every time, when you do the problems, compulsory sign conventions are required. Therefore, here object distance is there. U is always negative for a concave mirror. F is also negative. V is also negative. Right. Minus. Here V we should find. V is how much? Therefore, we are using of the mirror formula, that is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by F. Here 1 by F is minus 10, and directly I am writing as minus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by V plus of minus 1 by U is 15. I want V, therefore 1 by V is equals to transposing of minus 1 by 15 that side plus 1 by 15. Minus 1 by 10. LCM of 15 and 10. LCM of 15 and 10. How much it is? 15, 10. 5 3s are 5 2s are. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. 15 3s are. 10 3s are. Here, 15 2s are. 15 2s are 30. 2 1s are 2. minus 10 3s are 3 from the 3. Therefore 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 30. Minus 1 by 30. Here minus 1 by 30 means v is equals to minus 30 centimeter. Okay. And here he is asking to find the size of the image also. Hi by ho is equals to minus v by u. Hi is equals to, okay, hi by ho is how much here? 1 centimeter. That is equals to minus v is how much here? Minus 30. U is how much here? U is 15 minus 15. Minus minus cancel. Therefore hi is equals to 15 ones are 15 twos are minus 2 centimeter. Minus 2 centimeter. Hi is equals to minus 2 centimeter. Minus 2 means here what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image is here image distance is 30. V is equal to minus 30. Image distance is 30. Means what? Object distance is 15. 15. Therefore image is formed somewhere beyond the center of curvature. Beyond C. Okay, beyond C. What is the nature of the image? Real image. Inverted, minus here. Inverted. And here 1 centimeter. Object height is 1 centimeter. Image height is 2 centimeter. Double. Therefore enlarged. Therefore we got size, we got minus 2 centimeter. Nature we got all this position also we got v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay, this is how we should solve the problems. The remaining we'll be seeing in the next class. Thank you.